everyone. Hopefully everybody is having a great day. We are getting ready to head out. I've got to pick up 4 of the U-bolts. I've been saying I need to pick them up, so we're going to pick them up today. And also we are going to get a I think we're getting a belt for the Cummins, old Brutus, because it squeaks. Like, you start it up, it sounds real good in the back. When you walk up front, she's just squeaking. I can't stand it. So we're just going, I put like a belt, like conditioner or whatever on it. It didn't work, so I'm just going to put new belts on it. That way it should be pretty good. So we're going to stop and do that. And I got to get a lock, like a long lock or something for my cowbell, because I don't want nobody stealing my cowbell. Anyways, we're going to go do that and come back and probably put the fan belt on, and I'll have these. Now, I'm still waiting for the bushings. They should be in hopefully sometime this week. It was coming from Canada, and it like got to Greensboro like super fast, and then it just stopped because I guess it switched to like American Postal and it's just slowly moving, but it should be here hopefully Wednesday. That way we can get the rear end of stuff back in, the first gen stuff. But if we don't get to do the fan belt today, I do have something else we might be doing. But anyways, we're gonna hit the road and get some parts. Oh yeah. So I went ahead and ordered my belt from AutoZone for my truck, basically a serpentine belt. The reason I did that is because I got like 15% off if you order stuff online, just curb pickup. Got to stop there anyways because they got the U-bolts, but we'll run in there, pick that up. Hopefully they got the U-bolts and we'll pick those up too, so we'll be good. Hopefully it'll get rid of the squeaking noise. If not, we'll have to check the pulleys and stuff because it might be something like that going bad or something. But hopefully it's just a simple belt switch. I got like a heavy duty belt. It's like $50 for that daggone thing, but we're gonna pick that up and everything. But we're gonna hit the road now. More will be here tomorrow morning, and I got my belt, so should be good to go. Alright, so we are back at the house. I'm not going to put the belt or anything on because it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to be a pretty day tomorrow, so after I get back, because I got to go out of town, hopefully I can put the belt and stuff on and it stops the squeaking. And also, I got to go pick up the other U-bolts to the first gen, but we're going to do something to the Cummins. You're probably wondering, why am I like working on this now since I was working on the first gen too? Everything goes right. My rims and tires, I'm ordering them this week. Hopefully they'll be here next week. So we are going to be starting to work on this. It's going to get lifted and everything. It's getting car show season. I want to get this thing done so I can focus on the Durango, because we want to start taking it to the track. So we want to do some motor work to it and work on the first gen. That's our big summer project, is the first gen. But I picked this up a long time ago at Roll King. You probably don't know what it is, but it was like $20, made in USA and veteran owned company. That always like decides like my buy thing, especially when I see it. I was like, oh, I really should get that made in USA better. And I was like, oh, veterans owned, and I always support companies like that, because I mean, if it wasn't for veterans, we wouldn't have this like, you know, great America. So I always do that. That's one of the best things, especially like even local businesses. But what is this, you ask? Well, check this out. It's an eagle with the American flag and stuff. You probably can't see it because it's on black, but check it out. Come on, closer. I needed something to put here, and we've got to paint this because it's faded over the years. I'll probably bed line it and stuff, but check it out. We're going to put the American Eagle, because the whole truck is basically, you know, America is what I'm doing. We're going to put this there. It's going to be, the truck's called Brutus. But what I got to do is, I'm going to have to take the in-gallery truss off, but I'm going to hang it up in my shop because I just don't want to toss it out. I think that'd be cool. But it's starting to rain. But I've got to go through and cut here. And I got to cut some down here to make this fit. And we're going to powder coat it blue to match the lift and everything because the truck will be painted too. So let's go in here. Since it is raining, that's why we're not doing the belt because I can't pull it in the shop right now. Go in here, trim this up. We got sandblasting and everything, and figure out how we're gonna put some mountain tabs on. So let's go. Make our cuts. Sorry, I got the heat on and everything, but we'll cut it here. I'll hang this up because I don't want to get rid of this. I do like that, but it all won't fit on here. And we're going to trim here. Probably do something like that. Get rid of it because we got to shrink it down some. So I'm going to take my Dremel and cut it. And then we'll shape it and stuff as we need to, and then we'll go ahead and throw it in a sandblaster. Clean that up right there. I'll put a different disc on. I'll clean this up, this. Trying to get a little of a curve because it looks like theirs is curved, so I'll give these a little curve, and up here I gotta make it even, more. So I'm gonna shape that a little bit, and we should be ready to go ahead and grind the powder coat off. Before we do that, or sandblast, before we do that, I am gonna try it on a truck and stuff to make sure everything fits and stuff. I want to go ahead and grind this now. Alright, so I went ahead and sanded it. I got to do a little more. I like to have that a little bit more curved because it's like this whole thing is kind of curvy. I cut out the bottom and then the top, and I tried to shape it a little bit. You can't really see it right now because it doesn't look too good because where I skinned the paint off of it. But it should fit just like that. Of course, we'll center it and everything like that, but I think it's going to look good. So imagine that powder coated blue, and of course all this will be black. I think it depends on what kind of metal that is. We might try to powder coat that. I'll take every one of these off, and that'll be blue. This will be blue. We'll have a couple blue accents underneath the Rough Country dual stabilizer kit. It has the RC, that's going to be blue on that, plus a couple more accents throughout. So I think this looks good. This should look real good. So I'm going to go in and clean these up a little bit, throw it in the actual sandblaster and stuff. Hopefully it blasts real easy, and then we'll look and see how we mount it, because I need to put some tabs on the back. I don't want to do like I did the cowbell and just put holes, just drill holes and bolts. I want to see if I can actually fasten some tabs back here. Hopefully we can. So I'm going to work on this a little bit. So come on. Okay. Alright, so again, rain. But still got to do this side. I did this side real quick. As you see, you kind of get a better gist of what it's going to look like. I think it looks good. So I'm going to clean the rest of this off and everything. And then we're going to powder coat it. I actually kind of like it. The raw look, I kind of like that. But if I did that, I'd have to put clear coat on it. So I don't know if I want the raw look or the powder coat look. Alright, so it's been a couple of days. I was going yesterday, but I forgot to. I had a couple of things I have to do. But I did pick up my other U-bolt. So we have U-bolts. As soon as my bushings come in, we are ready to go to put the rear end in. But I did powder coat the... I'm just sitting here holding cowbell. Powder coat the American Eagle symbol. We are leaving it just like a chrome powder coat base for now. We're not going to do the blue because I feel like if I do the blue, it's going to be like overpowering because there's really nothing else on the truck's going to be blue except for a couple pieces of the lift and of course this. But I did take the bolts out and I epoxied this on here. I didn't get a lock like I said I was. I actually got a quick link and stuff, and I'm going to torque this mug down. So they're going to have if somebody tries to steal it, they're going to have like a daggone a wrench and everything out in the parking lot or something, because, you know. But I did get this, and it should make it so it doesn't hang down so low. I was like, what's it not even fit? Hopefully I can get, actually, hang on. It might, it might not even fit, to be honest. I didn't even think about that. Well, son of a gun. Yes. It'll fit like this for now. Note to self, get a better hook. Or bigger, thicker hook at least. That kind of was not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to like be turned toward me. Well, it didn't work out how I wanted it to work.
We gotta go take that tool back to Walmart.
Yeah, I bought a electric or a battery operated grinder that came with a battery, and I can buy another one just like it comes with a battery. So I'm taking it back and get the other one. So I guess I'll have to get a little bigger one. If I can find a little bit bigger one, that should be pretty good. But that's the kind of style we're going with. It never fails. It's always something. But now let's install the bald eagle on Brutus, the big American Cummins mobile. Alright guys, so we have got the grill, or not the grill, but the Eagle installed. I think it looks pretty good. We're still going to just leave it the basically chrome powder coat. I'm not going to do it blue yet, because I feel if I do it blue, it might just overpower it. But I am going to actually get a new grill insert. Actually, it's a whole grill that has this made into it. So I don't know if the mounting brackets will work or something, but we will see. We might actually get a different Eagle or something like that, but I think it looks really good. Now, it looks kind of small since it is stock, but once we put it on 40s and stuff, that Eagle's gonna look really good. I hear ups. I'm hoping my bushings come in today, and they're gone. Well, I guess they're not. Literally all I'm waiting for is my bushings for my first tin to put it back in, and they're supposed to be here today, but they're not. So hopefully they'll be here in the next video so we can go ahead and get the rear end back in. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoying the vlogs. I'm trying to bounce back and forth because I'm trying to get enough stuff for each project. But I've been having a lot of people say, when are you lifting the Cummins? When? Toward the end of this month, we are lifting the Cummins. It will be lifted on 40s, 38s or 40s. I'm still up in the air in that, but I've been shopping online today for rims and tires. So can't wait for that. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you punch that subscribe button. Make sure you check out our website to get you some Ghost merch, because everything bought from the website, all the proceeds go to helping me build my crappy vehicles. Anyways, guys, this is Ghost.
Okay.
And we are out of here.